Greg Raymer is in seat 9. We got some familiar faces.
Uh-oh, we're in trouble. We're up against Poker Face. I heard you're an up-and-comer. I want to put you on my channel, give you some exposure.
She shows it!
Pure mayhem here at the lodge. There's Wayne from Doctor's Poker. Say hi to the blog, Wayne.
Come on, everybody, don't stop.
KFG Poker Club, with massive bad beat payouts. Poker tournaments with 4, 5, and 6-figure guarantees. And tons of cash games, from micro stakes all the way up to 10-20. Everything from Hold'em to Omaha, 4, 5, and 6 card, high and high-low. Follow the instructions on screen to join today.
All right, playing some 4-card here for the fans. And of course we have kings and an ace flop, so not the start we're looking for, but we do pick up the nut diamond draw and the gut shot Broadway draw. We're going to put some money in there because no one else seems interested. We might take it down now. And if not, we just hit that jack on the river. All right, we are just limping in here with a crappy hand because we're on the button and we're trying to up our VPIP here so we don't get booted from the table. And we flop top 2 pair and a gut shot to the bottom end of the straight. But there's a lot of very bad turn cards for us. Now we can peel here, in position, multi-way, hope to pair the queen or the 9. But there's so many cards that bring in straights and flushes or better 2 pairs, so can't get overly excited about this hand. And there it is. The flush comes in, better 2 pairs come in. And even if we make our full house, we can still lose now. Someone could have had ace 9, ace queen. Will aces and queens be any good? I doubt it. But they're letting me see a free showdown here. No, he's got the ace. I don't know what did you call with on the flop? Backdoor hearts? The other guy had like 10-8. He had the open ender. All right, we got ourselves the bomb pot. Hopefully we can hit this one here. Give me 8-10 Jack King. The big old wrap. Well, we have 2 pair. We block some of the straights. No one else seems interested. I'm going to bet 11 at it. See if we can just take it. Ooh, okay, we get a caller. All right, we pick up some additional equity here. Now, of course, the 10 Jack straight comes in. The 6-7 straight comes in. Let's see, it's 50 bigs out there. Do I just check and take my showdown here? I think I take the free card, and we get there. Backdoor spades. He's not going to bluff at it. Let me make a small bet here. Make it look like a bluff. And there we go. He turned the nuts. Tried to check raise me, and we get there on the river. We're able to squeeze a little value. All right, we got the little single suited rundown. So we want a flop of Queen Jack 10 all clubs, and we want our opponent to have Ace King of clubs. Almost got there. All right, they're not betting it. I'm gonna bet. We got some stuff going on here. They may not have much. All right, there we go. Winning some pots without having to win them. All right, Under the Gun is coming for the raise. We have no suits. We do have Ace King King though, so we will definitely be calling here. Don't have a lot of depth to our hand. Don't want to play for stacks with this holding. The 9 weakens it. Having no suits weakens it. Really just playing the Ace King and the King King. Unless the flop is 3 9s, of course. All right. Not exactly what we're looking for here, but probably not what the raiser was looking for either. We do block some of the flush draws here. And some of the straight draws. I will be folding to any bets, though. Ooh. We've got the naked king, but I don't know that I can really rep it. Now the straight gets there too. More straight potential. We've got aces and nines. I guess I should have bet that turn. I missed that I had aces and nines. I was so hyper focused on the club. I'm kicking myself on that one. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to bet the turn, not just because of the club, but because I've got some equity if I do get called with the two pair. All right, folds to me on the button. We'll come in for a raise with an ace here and try to keep the old VPIP up. We get re-raised. Don't love it. We're getting more than 2-1. We have position. We don't have a great hand, but let's see. We flop nothing. Backdoor clubs. That's about it. And he's betting the full pot. We can't call that. All right, under the gun has raised. We will call here with 3 Broadway cards. 1 suit to our jack. Not amazing, but we can call 1 raise with it. Especially coming from this guy here. King 9, 8, 7 deuce. Limps calls raise. Jack 9, 8, 7, 3. Oh, I thought we had a king for a second, but we don't. I was just going off of what I read on his thing. And he's betting big. We can't even bluff him. Ooh, he's getting his ass check raised. I'm glad I didn't try bluffing this one. They both had it. All right, we got booted for our low VPIP. We're in the 5-card streets, but you can only buy in for 30 bigs here, so gonna have to try to spin it at this one. Do flop a gut shot, that's about it. Oh no, double gutter. We can hit a 9 or a king, but I don't think I want to be calling here with 8 outs. No. All right, easy call here. Suited ace, we got the pair of 10s, just 1 limper. And of course, the big blind can't help himself. And now the limper repots. You know, if I was double suited, maybe, but the deuce 4 is just a little too weak here to commit with stacks. Let's see what's going on. Oh, good lay down me. Dodging bullets. One of my 10s was out. One of my 4s was out. All right, we'll call a raise here on the button. A little double suited action. Little wheel rundown. Hopefully get to see a cheap flop. Well, this will be the end of the raises, hopefully. And no. I got 2 backdoors. Cannot call for that price. All right, the table is shrinking. We keep losing players here. We're going to defend our big blind. We flop a bupkis. He's checking. I feel like he's trapping me for some reason. Do turn a flush draw. We do have 6s and 4s, but can't call a pot size bet there. We would have gotten there. Probably would have been good. All right, keep the VPIP up here. And of course, big blind insta raises. This guy's calling. This is a terrible hand, man. Even if I make something, like, it's just too weak. Just too many gaps, too many weak flushes. This guy's just snap betting, which just seems bluffy to me. No, he's got aces. Well, it seemed bluffy, but he runs into it as this guy turns the straight and the flush draw. Flush draw would be no good. All right, my turn to pick up a hand here. Double suited. We've got aces. Let's play for stacks. Oh, nobody wants to play now that I have a hand. Would have been going in. All right, you want to limp? It's my turn to raise again. Picking up aces twice in a row. No free flops. It's going in. Here we go. Pick me. We are ahead just slightly. He's got 2 suits. Sure. Pick me for the first one at least. Nope. Oh, man. Lame. All right, the table is filled out. I will defend the button here, double suited. Not thrilled with a pair of fours, but suited ace. Ah, come on. Oh, man. Do we want to gamble for 30 bigs here? We can call and fold, I guess, if we miss. Save 11 bigs. Big pot, little gamble. Nope, we're playing for it all now. There we go, we got the 4-way all in. King Jack 8-5-3. What the hell is he doing? King Jack 8-5-3, and he just rips it like what? All right, stupid min raiser under the gun. We got the Jack 10. Got a call there, double suited. Not the flop we're looking for. We've got a 1 club. We've got a gut shot with the 5. Can't call a pot size bet. 2 big stacks going at it. All right, we got the raise. Call with the 10-10-7-6 rundown here. Hope to get lucky. And a multi-way pot. We have the overpair, but we don't have the heart draw. Guess we want to see a 7 or a 10 on the turn. Now we have kings and 7s. No one else betted, I guess. You know what? I got 17 bigs. No one else is interested. Let's go for it. See if we can steal it. We might be ahead with kings and 7s. Or we might not be. He's got the aces. We're 13%. Oh, man, I need some help. Yeah, we'll defend here with the Jack 10-10-9 rundown. And there we go. We got the open-ended straight draw. We've got the middle set. I'm going to try to steal it with a 5.9 big blind bet here. Make it look like a steal. Can we get any action? We do get 1 caller. We get 2 callers. And we turn a flush draw as well. We're losing a 9-7, but we block it. It's going in. Please don't let him have it. That would suck. It's got what? Jack 10? Oh, we're way ahead. He's 2.6. He's got 1 out. He's got a jack. The last jack in the deck. He does not get there. 1 for the good guys. Finally win a fucking pot. A long way to go. I think we've been stacked a couple times already, so. No, not going to play that trash. All right, double suited. We've got some connectivity for straights. We'll come in for the raise. Show 86, going ham. Jack 10, 8, 6, 5, 9, 9, 7, 7, 4. I mean, you know, bad players can wake up with good hands too, but I am not folding here. Gotta have some equity. Oh, what are you doing? 8, 7, 6, 5 deuce. 1 suit. We're way ahead here. What does he need? Oh, he can hit a 4. Or he can hit some backdoor bullshit. Oh, all right. Now he's got. Oh, no. No. Bullshit. All right. Well, we lost the button clicking retard. Now we're going to be clicking it back here, ramping up the aggression. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, Rita. How many times does Rita pick up aces? Like, what the hell is going on here? We are 15%, and the Jack 9-9 is winning. Oh, we've got diamonds. We've got diamonds. Are forever. Nope. All right, the worst hands keep becoming the best hands, but we're not going to let that stop us. 2 pairs, suited king. And we flop top set. We block the hearts. We block the straights. Come on, put your 11 bigs in. Help me get out of this hole. All right, this guy that just shoved his 1.3 bigs just lost with aces to Rita calling with like queen, 7-3 deuce, calling 2 raises with it. We're double suited. We've got connectivity here. course, Cho can't help himself. Now Ranger's getting it in. Let's play a big pot, guys. Let's try to get lucky. Everyone's clicking buttons. I'm clicking buttons too. 30%, 23%, 0%. Oh, man. 6, 5, 4, 3 deuce. Okay, you're the best. All right, we had to pay our blind again here, so of course. Of course, plug shoving in. We don't like our hand, but if it doesn't get re-raised, we're getting good price. And we flopped a set of 4s. We blocked the set of 10s. We've got no blockers on the spades or the straights, though. But the money's going in now with the bottom set, given stack and pot sizes. Don't do it to me. I've had enough pain for this one session. All right, there we go. Oh, quads. Nice. Sorry, this guy, ace, ace, king, 3 deuce. Damn, he just keeps losing with aces. The worst hand winning again. All right, one limper. We're going to be the ones raising here. Double suited, Broadway cards, wheel cards. See if Ranger repops. Nope. All right, so we flop the nut flush draw. We flop bottom pair. We flop a gut shot. He's got 21 bigs. Let's get it in. Why are you just calling? Doesn't make any sense. But that's okay. We turn the nuts. Got him drawn pretty slim here. He has 8s and deuces. Oh, he doesn't want to run it twice. I don't want to just take the 50 bigs. No, I got a deuce. I'm blocking it. We will roll the dice. Can we hold as a 92% favorite? Yes, we can. Yes, we can.